How to use gold bar in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga and let's make those gold bars work for you. Check your gold bars. Look at the top of the screen. You will see your gold bar balance. That's your in-game currency for all kinds of sweet fakes. I have zero balance. Use gold bars for extra moves. When you fail a level and run out of moves, Candy Crush will offer you plus 5 moves. This is where you can spend gold bars to keep playing without starting over. Buy boosters and lives. Low on booster like Color Bomb or Lollipop, head to the shop icon or the tap Lollipop or Booster bar and spend gold bar on booster, extra lives, special bundle and limited time offer. You can also use gold bar to refill your lives instantly. Just tap the heart icon if you are out of moves. One click and you are back in the game. And that's it. You just learn how to use gold bar like a Candy Crush Pro. Have question? Drop them in the comment. Smash like if this helped you and subscribe for more quick games. See you in the next video.